This is #1 champion sound. Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down. Who the hottest in the world right now? Just touched down in London.
Over to my crib. Come on in.
Money in my hand right now.
All right, this is my roommate Keith. We'll take a look in the kitchen, show you how we eat.
Hey, what's going on? Keith Spencer, San Diego, California, live in Dallas, Texas. We're gonna show you how we eat up in here. We big, so 6'8", 6'9", so we gotta make sure the cabinets is fully stocked and whatnot. I think I got a lot of different seasonings, you know what I'm saying? We had to bring a lot of our seasonings from back in the States because you guys have a different taste for things, but you know what I mean? We mix and we match and everything comes out delicious. We got the big Sub-Zero refrigerator. Make sure we stay with a lot of liquids. This juice right here, oh my god.
Man, that is magically delicious.
Like he put me on this juice every day.
Delicious.
Like I have to buy at least 2 of these every day I go to the store. We eat a lot of chicken, a lot of beef, a lot of everything.
This strawberry milk, this is the business.
Yeah, it is.
It's the business.
So,
right?
you know what I mean? So
take you in our living room. Show you what our living room is like.
Yeah.
It's our 57-inch plasma screen right here.
this is where we spend most of our time, just hanging out on the internet. Different CDs, different kind of music we listen to. There's different variety of CDs. Read different, like a lot of music magazines. Like me and him are both music fans, so we stay up on our music. Today's Sunday, and every day I'm always reading the Bible and everything, studying God, because that's what I do.
You know we have to have the home entertainment center right there.
With the bass to
that Hercules.
That Hercules.
We're gonna take you over to our dining room table. We got the big boy right here. Nice seats. We got the school table right here. This is for our Dutch lessons. They're gonna teach us some Dutch lessons so we can speak Dutch fluently. Yeah.
What words you know so far?
Oi, possibly, and thank you well, yeah.
Nice size. I'm saying, sleep next to the ball. Like this is why I'm here. Gotta have a ball that represent areas. This is the closet. I really didn't bring too much gear, and this looks like I said, like I'm all about hooping. You know what I'm saying? But on court, you definitely gonna see me rocking the finest. Got my, you know what I'm saying? Got the Kobe Bryant's, got him in the rack. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep them fresh before the game. Got the suede gray with the blue on there. So it's really gonna be. I'm really gonna be taking off from the free throw line knees right here.
Always act a fool. Ow, ow.
And I'm gonna show you guys an exclusive joint that I got. Got that Obama 08. Representing Duncan over McCain. That's what I'm talking about.
So this is the balcony area right here. It's kind of cold out here. That's why we usually don't really come out here like that. Look at the amazing view. Take a little time to take it all in.
Man,
nah,
that air is fresh too. Let me show you our cars. Show you our whip.
That big body.
Right here we got that big body Benz.
Man, it's looking real dirty. I really apologize to all the sponsors. You know what I mean, but. A lot of birds be doo-dooing on our cars and stuff like that. They hate us. When you see them 20-inch rims on there, they're looking real nice.
Man, the stick shift, man. I'm not even used to it yet. Oh well, we got it. We got it. We got it. Slowly, slowly. Ah! Come on, come on. All right, here we go. Here we go.
Like a girl.
Oh, here we go.
All right, now we're here at the facility at the Calvadike. Time to go to work. Hard work, dedication. This is where all goes down right here. So, but to perform a clinic, sign some autographs, go through little drills and whatnot. You know what I mean, excite the fans a little bit. So, stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting.
Jump around, jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 jump.
All right, you guys have seen my crib, you seen my car. Now it's time for me to go to work. You guys gotta take off.
All right, you saw my car, you saw how I'm living, saw my house. Now I'm about to get back to work. I'm saying gotta mentor these little kids and everything. So it was good seeing you guys. God bless. Take care.
Just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get burned.